Today we're working on an 04 Jeep Wrangler. The customer bring the car in. It won't start. Well, originally we did some LED tail lights in the car. We did some. We put a bar. We did some headlights, LED in the car, and then the customer bring the car back a couple days later, say it won't start. This is what it does. She get in the car one morning and she cranked the car, make all that noise and everything. Everything on the dash comes on. No start. If in park, you don't need to put the clutch in or nothing because it's automatic. What I notice, it don't have a spring back. You see, you crank the car, but you notice that you don't see a spring back. So right there and then it tells me exactly what's going on with it. Let me show you how to get to the part and what's the name of the part. Okay, this problem is real common with these vehicles. It's if you notice, right, get some light. Okay, right here there's a pin that you pushed up, then you turn the key and you get the cylinder, it come right out. Okay, then there's two T10s safety pin that you screw that you take out right there, and then on the top there's a T15 on both sides. You remove the indicator and the headlight. Alright, then in the back of it you take the wires and loose, and then inside of it there's a plastic piece. They call it the ignition switch solenoid actuator. They broke, they're worn down, and they break all the time, and it's real common in this vehicle. You take it out from the back, you replace it, and that will fix your problem. And it's common and mostly Wranglers, Jeep, Liberty. I see it happened before on a 06, a 07. I replaced those parts many times. You could get that parts any other parts store because it's a common problem. A lot of time you notice too that if you look at the key, you see that how the keys are worn out. That's an indication too that you that problem gonna soon occur. See how the key look all worn down? And that plastic piece, it is plastic, so it worn down and they don't work after a little while. Okay, all right, thank you, see you next time.